Family and hundreds of fans, including fellow entertainers, are gathered right now to celebrate the life of Leonard Bartley, more popularly known as Merciless. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have a report to come on the Thanksgiving service for the late Dancehall DJ. You don't want to miss this coming up next. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. It's an emotional moment right now for family and friends and also fellow entertainers as they gathered in order to pay their final respect to one of Jamaica's greatest recording dancehall superstar, Leonard Bartley, more popularly known as Merciless. The Thanksgiving service for the late dancehall DJ Merciless is on the way at the Gabriel's Anglican Church on Church Street in Maypen, Clarendon. Merciless, born Leonard Bartley, was found unresponsive inside a guest house on Walker's Avenue off Beechwood Avenue in St. Andrew on July the 19th. The service, which began at 10 a.m. on Saturday, saw a large group of family, friends and fans coming together to bid their final farewell to dancehall entertainer who passed away in July. The dancehall DJ, who was a dominant figure in the 90s, passed away in a motel on July the 19th, hours after he complained of not feeling well. He had just turned 51 on July the 1st. We here at Links 007 TV News Report just want to take this opportunity to express our sincere condolences to his family and friends, and we'll have a more comprehensive report to come on his funeral service in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.